Meow. Lesson 18. Today we learn one of the most important vocabulary topics. Days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 7 days. 7 words you use constantly. When do you work? When is your appointment? When does the store open? When do you meet your friend? You need days of the week. Today, we learn all 7 days. How to pronounce them, how to use them, how to talk about your schedule. By the end of this lesson, you can say what happens when. You can make plans. You can talk about your week. First, let us learn all 7 days. Listen carefully. Pronunciation is important. The 7 days of the week. Repeat after me. Monday. Monday is the first day of the work week. Most people work on Monday. School starts on Monday. Tuesday. Tuesday is the second day. Be careful with pronunciation. Tuesday. Wednesday. Wednesday is the third day. Tricky pronunciation. Wednesday. The D is silent in spelling. Thursday. Thursday is the fourth day. Thursday, like thirst, with day. Friday. Friday is the fifth day. Last work day for most people. People are happy on Friday. Saturday. Saturday is the sixth day. Weekend day. Most people do not work. Saturday. Sunday. Sunday is the seventh day. Second weekend day. Many people rest on Sunday. Sunday. Now let us say all 7 together. Slowly. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. Sunday. Again, a bit faster. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. One more time. Normal speed. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Good. You know all 7 days. Let us understand how the week is organized. The work week, also called weekdays. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 5 days. Most people work or go to school these days. Businesses are open. Banks are open. Offices are busy. The weekend. Saturday and Sunday. 2 days. Most people do not work. Time to rest, relax, have fun. Many stores still open, but some businesses closed. Important note about Sunday. In some countries, Sunday is the first day of the week. In other countries, Monday is the first day. On calendars, you might see Sunday on the left, or you might see Monday on the left. Both are correct. Different traditions. In this course, we will say Monday is the start of the work week. Sunday is the end of the weekend. Practice saying the structure. Monday to Friday is the work week. Saturday and Sunday is the weekend. I work Monday through Friday. Through means from start to end. I rest on the weekend. Good understanding. Important grammar point. When you talk about a specific day, use the word on. Pattern. On plus day. On Monday. On Tuesday. On Wednesday. Not just Monday. Say, on Monday. Examples. Repeat after me. I work on Monday. I go to the gym on Tuesday. The store is closed on Wednesday. I have a meeting on Thursday. We meet on Friday. I relax on Saturday. The bank is closed on Sunday. Plural form for regular events. When something happens every week, use plural. Add s. I work on Mondays. Means every Monday. The store is closed on Sundays. Means every Sunday. I go to the gym on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Every Tuesday and every Thursday. Compare. I go to the doctor on Monday. One specific Monday. This Monday coming. I go to the gym on Mondays. Every Monday. Routine. Habit. See the difference? Singular for one time. Plural for every time. Let us learn common phrases you will use with days of the week, starting and ending, from Monday to Friday. The whole work week, Monday through Friday. Same meaning, from start to end. From Tuesday to Thursday. 3 days, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. This, next, last, this Monday. The Monday coming soon, in this week, next Monday. The Monday in the next week, after this Monday. Last Monday. The Monday in the past week, the Monday that already happened. Examples. I have a meeting this Tuesday. Soon, this week. I am traveling next Friday. Future. Next week. I saw the doctor last Wednesday. Past. Last week. Every Monday. All Mondays. Routine. Every weekend. All weekends. Every day. All 7 days. Examples. I work every Monday. I relax every weekend. I study English every day. All days, including today. Now let us practice talking about schedules. What you do on each day. My schedule example. On Monday, I teach English. On Tuesday, I sleep a lot. Cats sleep a lot. Remember, on Wednesday, I chase mice. On Thursday, I teach English again. On Friday, I rest. On Saturday and Sunday, I play. Now you try. Think about your schedule. What do you do on Monday? Say it out loud. On Monday, I. What do you do on Wednesday? On Wednesday, I. What do you do on the weekend? On Saturday and Sunday? Asking about schedules. What do you do on Monday? Asking about routine. What are you doing this Friday? Asking about specific plan. This Friday coming. When do you work? General question. When is your appointment? Asking about specific time. Practice answering. When do you go to the supermarket? Answer. I go on Saturday, or I go on Saturdays. Either is fine. When do you study English? Answer. I study every day, or I study on Monday and Wednesday. Good practice. Remember lesson 17? We learned places. Now let us combine days and places. Days plus places. Very practical. I go to the restaurant on Friday. The bank is closed on Sunday. I visit the hospital on Tuesday. The market is open on Saturday. I am at the hotel from Monday to Wednesday. Practice combining. I will give you a place. You say when you go there. Supermarket. Say when you go. I go to the supermarket on. Gym. When do you go? I go to the gym on. Restaurant. When do you eat out? I go to the restaurant on. Perfect. You are combining vocabulary. Let us practice asking when things happen. Using question words from Lesson 10. Question. When? When is your birthday? Asking about specific day. You will learn months next lesson. When do you work? Asking which days. When is the meeting? Asking about appointment. When does the store open? Asking about schedule. Question. What day? What day is it today? Asking about today. Right now. What day is your appointment? Asking which day. What day do you go to the gym? Asking routine. Answers with days. My appointment is on Tuesday. I work Monday to Friday. The store opens on Monday. Today is Wednesday. Or whatever day it actually is. Practice asking and answering. What day is it today? You answer with today's actual day. When do you study? Answer. I study every day. Or I study on Monday and Wednesday. Let us address common mistakes with days of the week. Mistake 1. Forgetting on. Wrong. I work Monday. Right. I work on Monday. Always use on before the day. Mistake 2. Wrong pronunciation. Wednesday is not Wednesday. It is Wednesday. Thursday is not Thursday with a hard eats. It's Thursday. Mistake 3. Confusing this, next, last. This Monday means coming soon. This week. Next Monday means the week after. Future. Last Monday means the week before. Past. Mistake 4. Not capitalizing. Days of the week are always capital letters in writing. Monday, not Monday. Tuesday, not Tuesday. Always capital letter at the start. Homework time. Task 1. Write your weekly schedule. What do you do on each day? Write at least one thing for each day. Example. On Monday, I work. On Tuesday, I go to the gym. On Wednesday, I study English. On Thursday, I visit my mother. On Friday, I meet friends. On Saturday, I go shopping. On Sunday, I rest. Task 2. Practice saying all 7 days in order. Do this 5 times today. Out loud. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Task 3. In the comments, tell us what day it is today and what you are doing today. Examples. Today is Monday. I am working and studying English. Today is Saturday. I am relaxing at home. Today is Thursday. I'm going to the supermarket later. Share your today in English. In Lesson 19, we learn numbers 21 to 100. Then you can say prices, ages, dates. The hotel costs $75. I am 32 years old. The address is 48 Main Street. But today you learn the 7 days of the week, Monday through Sunday, work week and weekend. These 7 words unlock scheduling, planning, talking, making appointments, describing routines. Practice them every day. When you wake up, say what day it is. Today is Tuesday. Make it automatic. See you tomorrow. Meow.